Hey, what's he doing? You gonna get the pussycat? Are you gonna eat the pussycat? Pussy kitty, Jax! Is he eating you? So what are you doing, kid? I don't like you. Weirdo. Whoa! Losing the pussycat. Is you throwing that pussycat away? Hey! Is you throwing the pussycat away? Conway! Is you throwing the pussycat away? Is you throwing that pussycat away? Pussycat's mad. Pussycat's mad. He's mad. Is he mad? I've done eating him. Oh.
Get in here.
Oh. Well, tell him. What are you looking at? Huh? Do you love Jax? Conway, do you love Jax? Is he a nice pussycat? Gonna eat him. You gonna eat him. Alright, Conway. Hey, Jax, you want to say bye to the people? That's his way of saying bye-bye. You want to say bye-bye, Conway? Conway, you want to say bye-bye? Would you like to say bye? Or you're just going to eat the cat? Alright. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Aw. He says bye.